Assalamualaikum class 9. Hopefully you will be great. Today date is 1st September 2020. It is my 40 lecture and day is Tuesday. I am going to revise active and passive voice. I have given you a question: change active voice into passive voice. I am going to show you an exercise. You have 20 sentences. See the exercise. Put into the passive voice. So see, 20 sentences are given and it is mixed sentences of all the tenses we have done in active voice. You have to identify the tense and try to change the tense into passive voice. I just cover first 10 sentences till here and you will complete the exercise to your own. I just discuss how you will do this activity or do this exercise. You have learned active and passive voice and I have shown you a chart related to active and passive voice. If you are confused, you have to see the chart of active and passive voice, see the helping verb used in different tenses, identify the tense and try to change the tense into passive voice to your own. First sentence, we read the Holy Quran in the morning every day. It's present indefinite tense. What we will do, the Holy Quran is read by us in the morning every day. It is easy. First form of verb is given and you know that if first form of verb is given, it is present indefinite tense. Pull the chain. Pull, its verb is given. If the sentence starts with verb, it is imperative sentence. But how we will change, we write let the chain be pulled. The chain subject है, subject की जगह लेकर आएंगे because it's object. So object change to subject, we write let the chain be pulled. Third form of verb. She was using my pen. So was using. My pen was being used by her. Is present, is past continuous tense and we write helping verb was, being and were being. So we just write my pen was being used by her. He will praise them. They will be praised by him. We shall not follow you. You shall not be followed by us. Had she won the prize? If question is given, we change the sentence into question. Interrogative sentences remain the same. Had the prize been won by her? Had been and had been is the helping verb. So we write had the prize been won by her. I did not spoil the show. The show was not spoiled by me. Is past indefinite tense. Did not is written, we write helping verb was and were. So the show was not spoiled by me. Was, she knocked at the door. Was the door being knocked by her? Do not break these toys. It's imperative sentence and it is negative. We write let these toys not be broken. He is looking at us. So we is being looked by him. Till here I have covered. Rest of the 10 sentences you will do it to your own. So 20 sentences are given, you will cover all the 20 sentences. It is your home task. I am writing here. Do this activity on your notebook. It's your work. That's it. Allah Hafiz.